na mkono, ya mwisho unarudisha na mguu. Bata kirisiva na receive na mkono, so service ya mguu ni sali inaanza na sali inarudi huko. Sawa.
This foundation started in 2004. We have produced a number of players, including Eric Oyanga, Wakasala, who is at FC Talanta. So many talents have come from here.
It's so nice to participate in Ligi Keepers Foundation because I want to build myself more about being a very perfect goalkeeper. As a young girl, I want to improve in sports also because it can take me far. I started this Ligi Keepers Foundation a long time ago, and by training each day, it has been giving me healthy standards of playing football, also interacting with others and learning many things as a young girl.
This association has helped me a lot as a player from the neighborhood. I have learned much that can help me be back at my home team. The big challenge we have here is the training ground. We have not been able to find enough space for our trainings. Woodley grounds is not big enough to accommodate all styles of our training.
The reason why it's very good for a goalkeeper like me to train, one, learning so many skills. Kwa sababu goalkeeper inafaa learn vitu mingi, ndo ajue vitu mingi, because practice makes perfect. The reason why I'm training is to build myself up as a young goalkeeper, to learn more, also to be flexible. By training in this Ligi Keepers Foundation, it's always avoid me doing bad things. For example, drugs. It keeps me away from bad company. Also, I'm planning myself in 3 years or 5 years to come to be a perfect woman, not even in my team, also in the community. To be a goalkeeper which people can depend on me while calling me at some times of games to come and play.
I always wanted to be a goalkeeper, and this association is able to open doors for me. Right now, I feel I can be able to get a high-ranking team and be part of it.
I can see myself as an optimistic woman, a go-getter, because I'm trying myself harder to push myself also.
If we can find someone who can chip in and help us find training gears such as gloves and other materials, that will be very helpful.
I'm aspiring to play with Harambee Stars and Vihiga Queens. I really like those teams. Yeah. They do give me effort. While watching games, Vihiga, especially the Vihiga Queens, the touches they are playing, the games they are playing, they are always winning. As a girl whom I want to build myself up, I must see myself with those teams which are winning. Yeah.
I just want to appeal to well-wishers to help us acquire training gears like boots, gloves, among others.
Enjoy,